Nuclear energy is a controversial subject that has raised significant debates regarding its pros and cons. The tug of war often centers on whether this technology is a blessing or a curse for mankind. The discovery of nuclear energy dates back to 1934, when Italian physicist Enrico Fermi showed that several elements, when under neutron bombardment, produced artificial radioactivity. This piqued interest worldwide, which led to the development of atomic weapons in 1945 during World War II. Subsequently, in the 1950s, under the Eisenhower's Atoms for Peace program, research into the peaceful use of nuclear energy began, marking a critical turning point in the history of nuclear power. The significance of nuclear power is primarily rooted in its immense energy-generating capacity. It produces a massive amount of energy from a small amount of fuel through a process called nuclear fission. For instance, one uranium fuel pellet, which is about the size of a fingertip, can provide as much energy as 17,000 cubic feet of natural gas, 1,180 pounds of coal, or 149 gallons of oil. This is indeed a remarkable achievement in harnessing the power within atoms, bringing the promise of a future with incredibly efficient energy sources. Moreover, nuclear energy is considered a clean and relatively sustainable form of energy. It does not release greenhouse gases during operation, thereby resulting in lower emissions comparative to fossil fuel energy sources. It also has a reliable, constant energy output, regardless of weather conditions, lending it a level of security that renewable energy sources like wind or solar power do not possess. However, the aforementioned statements elucidate only one side of the story. The utilization of nuclear energy also comes with a string of potentially devastating cons which, for some, categorize it as a curse. Most notably is the production of radioactive waste, a byproduct of nuclear energy generation. The management of this hazardous waste is a critical issue due to its capability to remain dangerous for thousands of years. The safe storage and disposal methods are both costly and complex. Locations capable of storing such dangerous material for millennia are limited, raising significant concerns over long-term storage solutions. Another significant drawback is the potential for catastrophic accidents, as witnessed in Chernobyl, 1986, and Fukushima, 2011. Catastrophic failures in nuclear power plants can result in widespread radioactive contamination, causing severe health complications and environmental degradation. Furthermore, nuclear power plants and enriched nuclear fuel can be repurposed for the production of nuclear weapons. This makes nuclear technology a severe concern around proliferation and terrorism. The potential for misuse of this powerful and devastating technology is a significant factor in the classification of nuclear energy as a curse. In summary, nuclear energy carries immense potential both as a blessing and a curse. It promises a future of efficient, low-emission energy on one side, while on the other, it brings along a Pandora's box of threats, including hazardous waste, catastrophic accidents, and potential weaponization. As such, the challenge that lies in the path of nuclear power's future is our ability to maximize its benefits while minimizing and effectively managing its risks. Until this is fully achieved, the baton of opinion between labeling nuclear energy as a blessing or curse will continue to pass back and forth, mirroring the ever-evolving dynamics of this remarkable yet controversial technological phenomenon.